So here's an idea. Let's take a fixed gear track bike, fixed gear, so the pedals are always spinning when the wheel is spinning. Let's take the brakes off, ride it off-road, and while we're at it, since we're on our bikes anyway, let's race. That's Tracklocross. So a couple of weeks ago, I found this aluminum frame fixed bike at the thrift store. When I got it home, I completely regretted it though. I found this crack in the frame. Really didn't feel good about building it up with that frame. It was kind of big for me anyway. So I immediately started searching for a replacement frame. For those of you that have been following my channel for a while, you know that I like to use spray.bike paint. Now, the US distributor for spray.bike paint is a company called Squid Bikes. The folks at Squid make this awesome Tracklocross frame called the So Easy. And this build is really inspired by them and their Tracklocross bikes. I follow them on Instagram and on social media, and I see their builds regularly, and I'm just floored all the time. I love what they do. I love the creativity that they have in their custom paint jobs that they do on their frames. And I keep seeing their Tracklocross bikes, and I just want to give it a try. I think it looks like one of the craziest and funnest things you can do on bikes. Now, it's just a fun, kind of lighthearted, somewhat ridiculous biking sport. And this will be my first foray into Tracklocross. I have no idea how to even ride without brakes, though. So this will be an interesting experience. This build will just show you really just the build. And I really need to get out on this bike when it's done and figure out just how in the world you could ride around a cyclocross course on a fixed geared bike with no brakes. So that'll be an adventure maybe for another video. So sit back and enjoy my cheap Tracklocross bike build. I'm really looking forward to really getting out on this bike. It should be a lot of fun. I should probably get a few things tweaked even a little better. I need a half link on that chain to put the rear wheel in just a little better spot. But to fit those 38 millimeter tires, I almost need to put them as far back as it is. So, this was a fun build. It was fun to get my kids out coloring on it. And I was bummed a little bit that the black paint pens bled a little bit, but I think it still fits the look and feel of this bike. So, if you haven't already, Don't forget to like and subscribe. Look for opportunities to give those old things new life.
So this is
And I will see you on the next video.
trying to skid.
Ciao.
I don't know how to skid. Maybe my backyard's not the best place.